guys, today I'm showing you this look, which I think will be perfect for Valentine's Day. I call it a pink and red makeup with the red lip and the pink eyes. I'm actually not doing anything too exciting for Valentine's Day, but I am getting my nails done because Lord knows they need it. I will also be diving into a box of chocolates that I bought for myself, shaped like a heart. So yeah, that's my day for you. But if you are going out and dressing up and want to look nice, I thought this look would be perfect. It's quick and easy and just very beautiful. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I already have my face makeup on, my foundation, which is the Clinique Acne Solutions, and then I put the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil over on top of that, which is like a translucent setting powder. So now I'm going to do a bit of contouring. So I'm going to take my Too Faced, this is from the Under the Tree box set, the Christmas set they came out with this year, which I absolutely love. The contour, and this is great. So I'm going to take this color right here. I'm just going to draw a line under my cheekbone. I'm also going to do it on my forehead too. Blend that out. And I actually just washed my makeup brushes yesterday, which is so nice to have clean brushes. For some reason that's something that I hate doing. That's so easy to do and doesn't even take that much time. And it's so worth it because you want to have clean brushes, especially for your face, because I've just been getting so much acne all over my face and I don't know why, but I know keeping the brushes clean will definitely help with that. Alright, so now we're going to go in with out. So now we're going to go in with a bit of blush. So I'm going to use the blush from this palette as well. It's like a shimmery, kind of like peach color with some gold in it. Why it's not really coming up on this. I think I might go in with a little more of that contour, just a bit. I'm looking very pale. All right, there we go. So now let's go in with this, I almost brought the name of it, highlighter right here. And this one I think is a little dark for me, but I still use it anyway. Alright, gorgeous. Now on to let's do the brows. Let's do that and get it done, and then we can move on to the fun part. Again, you probably see me, where is that? Here it is. You probably see me using this in every one of my videos, and I do, at least my makeup ones. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil in the color dark brown. Love this, and this is pretty much all I need, all I use. It's quick and easy, and very effective. Let's make this, if I can speak, this makes my brows look amazing. So let's do this. So when I do my brows, I just like to brush them out first, and then I kind of just like follow the like bottom line and then the top, and then I just kind of fill them in. So yeah, I see people using like, I don't know, 3 different products on their brows, and I'm just like, what? Really? This is really all I need, and they look great. So yeah, if you're looking for something for your brows and you want something that is like quick and easy and like cost effective too, I would suggest using this. The price isn't too bad, and this lasts like forever. But like I've said, the brows can make or break a look. When you don't get those brows right, the whole look is ruined. So brows are a challenge sometimes. Like when I can get my brows to look even and look good, I just breathe a sigh of relief. For the eyes, I'm going to use my favorite palette, the Norvina palette. Guys, I love this. If you haven't gotten this, go out to the store right now and go get it, because it is amazing. So, got a nice clean brush. I'm going to take the color Love, what a perfect name, right here. It's a matte, kind of like peachy pink color. So I'm gonna put that in my crease. And guys, this is amazing, like the how pigmented this stuff is. But I will say that you do get like a lot of fallout. I just put my brush in it right now and I forgot how much fallout I get, so I like ran my brush right through it, and yeah, there's a lot. That's the only issue I have with that, but yeah. It's like my all-time favorite palette. I don't know why, but Valentine's Day has always been one of my favorite holidays. I just think because it's like close to my birthday, and I just love chocolate, obviously. And like in school, we would always like decorate our own Valentine's boxes. So we would like decorate a box, and then we make our Valentines and then like hand them out when I was in school, and I thought that was so fun. I would love to like design my box. One year I did a cat. I always remember that one. There's like a white cat, and it looks so cool. And then I also would hand make my Valentines too. So I'm like a very creative person, so that was like really fun for me. And I don't know why, I just like it. It's a nice holiday, whether you are in a relationship or not. It's still just a fun holiday, I think. Like I said, I'm very excited to dive into that box of chocolates. I've been thinking about that almost every day. So I've had it for like a week now. And I'm saving it for Valentine's Day. But yeah, I want to blend this out, and I want to bring it towards like my eyebrow. So yeah, just keep blending it and then just move higher and higher up with it. And I'm also kind of bringing it into the corner, slightly onto the lid. Alright, looking good. Now, let's go in with how I did this. I actually wore this look a few days ago, and I thought it would just be a great look for Valentine's Day. I didn't even have that in mind when I did it. But now that I'm looking at it, it's pink, red. I mean, that just screams Valentine's Day. So I'm going to go in on my lid with this color right here, Wild Child, which is a shimmery, sparkly, like light pink. There, I just put my nail in it. Alright. That is pretty. So what I'm going to do is also put my finger in that eyeshadow and just kind of pat it on, because I find that with these shimmery colors, to get them to look more vibrant is to just like pat them on with your finger, and you can really tell a difference when you do that. Instead of using a brush and kind of like blending them, when you just pat it right on, it looks a lot more pigmented. And that's what we want. Alright, and now we're gonna go in with, well, you know what? I forgot to do under the eye, so we're going to do under the eye too with the color Love. Shirt is falling off. Looking good. Have more on that one. Right. Now we're gonna put this palette aside. I'm gonna grab my MAC palette that I made. I'm gonna use the color right here, which is, oh, what's this called? Expensive Pink, which is like a peachy, like light pink with gold in it. Very gorgeous color. I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna put this actually like under my eyebrow. I'm also gonna put it in the corner right here as well. Alright, so the eyes are pretty much done. We do need to put some mascara on though. And I'm using my favorite mascara, as you all may know, which is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Love this mascara. Eyes are done. Now let's move on to the lips. I thought since we're going to do a very simple eye look, why not wow them with the lips? So we're doing a red lip. So I'm using MAC Russian Red, which is like the truest red I think you can get. Very matte. So here is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a good Valentine's Day, and if you do go out, I hope you will try this look, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.